Hello, welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we present the 5 best self-defense knives to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Spyderco Matriarch Lightweight Folding Knife. The Spyderco Matriarch is an offshoot of the larger Spyderco Civilian, which is probably the most ironically named product since the Ford Aspire, as there is nothing civil about it at all. According to Spyderco, the Civilian was a result of a request from a government agency for a knife to be used in last-ditch situations as a defensive tool for people not trained in knife fighting or close-quarters combat in general. So it's the closest a knife gets to being an idiot-proof self-defense tool, being designed to be used in a forward-facing claw motion. For those not familiar, it works in the tip-up carry position. A hook cut into the spine of the blade catches on the edge of your pocket as you draw the knife, pulling the blade open, and into the lock position as soon as it's free of your pocket. Features: superior quality, dependable, easy to carry. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position, we have the CRKT Clever Girl Straight Edge Knife. Here is another knife that I would not want to be on the other end of. The Clever Girl is a full-tang knife with a trailing tip-style upswept blade that is wicked sharp and powder-coated. It was designed by a U.S. military veteran named Austin McGlawn and part of the Forged by War series, which is a program where veterans design knives and other gear they wish they had on the battlefield. The name of the knife came from the Jurassic Park movie. This Persian-style inspired knife looks amazing and is a great addition to any collection. The knife feels great in hand and has a good weight and is well balanced. It has a nice belt lock that clamps onto a belt or maul gear. Features: upswept blade designed for superior slicing action, exceptional grip, gear compatible. Coming up next, in third place we have the Kershaw Brawler Folding Pocket Knife. Kershaw is known for creating excellent quality folding knives at affordable prices, and that's certainly true here. Kershaw knife is crafted from high-performance steel. Its high carbon content keeps it from rusting and corroding, while holding a sharp edge for longer than you'd expect. It has great damage resistance and won't be easily scuffed by abrasive and adhesive wear. These are knives that you can take almost anywhere with you and can survive in almost any environment. You're getting a sleek profile and a subtle black coating. In terms of blade deployment, you'll find this knife is as fast as they come. It's an assisted opening that can be opened with either hand. It also helps to keep the knife lightweight and agile. Overall, you're getting one of the best self-defense knife options on the market. Features: black oxide coating adds blade protection, strength and hardness, lightweight, strong glass fill nylon handle. Now moving to the number 4, Cobb RTDI Straight Edge Knife. If you're going to carry your knife with you in challenging or rigorous conditions, then it needs a solid pocket or belt clip. The black metal belt clip you get here is excellent quality and offers a variety of sturdy mounting options. With Os-8 steel, you're getting a durable and sharp knife that doesn't need a ton of care and maintenance to perform well. It's easy to control the short and powerful blade and has a comfortable finger mold that suits many different grip styles. It's small enough to wear as a concealed carry and has a sleek, subtle finish to suit. Overall, Cobb R knife is an agile, subtle, and capable knife worth paying attention to. It's a unique pick for the best cheap self-defense knife. Features: excellent quality belt clip, stainless steel blade, extremely strong cutting edge. In the fifth position we have the Fox Karambit Folding Flipper Knife. The Karambit is a knife style designed expressly for fighting and generally regarded as one of the best knives for self-defense. It has almost no useful value as a day-to-day cutting tool. Opening your boxes from bags of dog food with a Karambit is harder than using your finger. But it is a devastatingly effective self-defense tool, provided you know how to use it properly. The design of the knife favors a reverse grip and allows you to use the blade in a swinging, rather than a thrusting motion. The wave opener gives it the benefit of self-opening when it's drawn from the pocket, and sturdy scales with a stainless liner lock serve the purpose of a self-defense knife. There's also an aluminum-handled version if you like the feel better. Features: lightweight textured aircraft-grade aluminum handle, strong, consistent, razor-sharp edge, suitable for military, LEO, security, civilians, first responders, and utility workers. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best self-defense knives. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.